when your friend says he can get you free Robux. Oh, that's funny. Hey guys, it's Todd here. In this video, I will be showing you how to literally meme any image on the internet quick and easily and for free. So it's very simple. So all you have to do is go to the Chrome Web Store, so search it up on Chrome. And I should mention this can only be done on Chrome. So once you go to Chrome and get on the web store, go and search the store and search click to meme. Now once you search up click to meme like I did, click on it. And now all you have to do is click on get extension. As you see, I already have it, so I don't need to get it. So they have their own website, clicktomeme.com, which I'll talk about in a second. But first, I want to show you guys how to meme any image. So if I was going to search out something like India, let's say I wanted to meme the Indian flag. Alright guys, so when you right click with the extension, there should be this button that says click to meme. So what comes up now would be this thing. It says top line and bottom line. So let's say I wanted to type something like this: big population China ripoff. What you guys can do now is you can like move this around, because usually when you start typing it's like over here, these, so you have to like move it towards the middle. But you could also like bring it down here or put whatever you want. Whatever, this is close enough to what I got. So now this private thing, you can click on it, and what this does is when you click save, it publishes it to their clicktomeme.com site. Not many people use it, so it's not really a big deal, but let's say I wanted to keep it private, I could click save, and then it'll save it to the site. And what you can do is you can copy the image here, the link, you open up a new tab, paste it, then go to it, and then there, it's on their site. Now because it's on private, I'll show you guys. So if I just go to the site, it's not there. And yeah, these are some other memes I put on public for other people to see if you guys want to see. And yeah, I don't think these two buttons down here work, so because whenever I click on them it doesn't do anything, so those don't work. I don't think the download works either, guys. I think you have to right click and click on save image as. That's how you download it, because this download button does not work apparently. So yeah, the only image you really can't meme would be like if you wanted to meme a YouTube thumbnail. So anyway, that was a super quick tutorial. That is all you need to know, nothing else. So yeah guys, thank you all for watching. If you have any other video suggestions, comment below. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you around more, and goodbye.
Right.